In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Daraz discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Daraz discount promo code. Right here, scroll down a little bit until you find this website, which is called wordtraining.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list of some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this phone with 30% discount off, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code and use it on your first purchase to get a 30% discount. Also, going back to our main site right here, we have this website which is called webjudge.com. And right here, we also have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, right here, if you want to get this 10% discount, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says copy code. And here is your promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this promo code on the next purchase in order to get this discount right here. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.